Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix GRIME II game not launching, not opening, crashing, lagging, stuck on loading screen, black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button, then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, launch the game and check. Next method is to rebuild database. For that, first switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable. Then select rebuild database. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to check HDMI connection. So you should check whether the HDMI cable is properly connected or not on your PS5. If there is any problem on the cable, then change it and use another one to get rid of the issue. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings on your PS5, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar. Now select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now select restore licenses. After that, select GRIME II game and click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. If not, next is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, now try to launch the game. Next is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now select save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage, then select the game, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, click on system software update and settings. After that, select update system software if any update is available. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next solution is to reinstall GRIME II game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install GRIME II game again to check for the error. Next is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game to the support team, and hopefully they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.